What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A quick update on Bitcoin and the market in general and what I think is going to happen. So let's get started with an Elliott wave count and how I see the market moving for so this plan is going to be important for today, okay, so for the rest of the day, for tomorrow, and for the week coming, okay. So I will be going into a short-term to mid-term kind of projection. So let's get started with this consolidation pattern right here, which I see as a very nice running flat. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is an Elliott wave count. Let me show you why I see this as a running flat. So this is a corrective move, but I know you are familiar with an ABC that looks something like this, right? This is how you are familiar with the A, B, and the C. But because we are in a bull market, corrections are shorter. Okay, pullbacks are actually non-existent. Okay, if we can say so. So yeah, I see this as a running flat, and let me actually show you where I came up with this. So this is the running flat pattern. Perfect. Take a look at this. Okay, A, B, C. Look how the C is above the A or higher than the A, and this is in a bull market. So this is how I came up with this running flat, and from here actually we start another impulse, and yeah, I am looking for higher prices. So what we have here is an impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 coming very soon. So let me actually change this one to minor. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Now we're getting here. Here is where I'm going to put my attention and focus. So what are we looking at right here? Well, I think we have the same pattern once again, the same pattern of a running flag or a running flat, sorry. So what we have here is basically another A, B, and a C correction. Okay, this is me doing basic Elliott wave count. So what I see here, this is the fourth wave from this impulsive rise that we got. Okay, and what I see in this fourth wave, I see the following. I really see this as a fourth wave, and this being a running flat once again because we are in a bull market. And yeah, what's going to happen from here is basically the following. So I think we're going to get an impulsive rise once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe around here, 5. And let's mark this with sub micro. Yeah, sub micro. So I think it's looking quite nice. Okay, so basically we still have a lot of room to go higher. This is what I'm trying to say here. We still have a lot of room to go higher. Third wave, the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave. So this is this is what I'm looking for at this point. Looking for 25k, 25k, and give or take $200. So yeah, I mean we still got around 4% to go up 4%, I mean 4% to go higher, which is quite good. Yeah, you can take some really nice longs. I'm interested in Ethereum longs as I see this possibly breaking up. I see this possibly breaking up, and yeah, you can make an easy 5 or 6% on this one. So a very good long here on Ethereum. Of course, stop loss below this low right here. Litecoin also the same. We could see a breakout very soon. But yeah, this is my analysis actually on BTC. I have nothing else to add rather than after this push higher, I'm really looking for a pullback, and yeah, that pullback we could see a retest of this region right here. So let's actually pull some Fibonacci's, and yeah, if we push, so yeah, it's actually making sense right now. If we push a little bit higher and we get a drop, well, basically that drop is going to retest the previous, resistance or big resistance, now support, okay, which is once again a very nice thing to see. This is confluence, okay, this is what I call confluence. And yeah, from here, okay, after all of this, drawings right here, or after all of this, small numbers that you can see, or actually forget about what I said. After this Elliott wave count, I think we can get, a pullback, something like this, retest the previous resistance, now support, and yeah, go higher from here. So of course I will be longing a retest of this resistance, because it really makes sense. You are just flipping resistances into supports, and when you retest them, you anticipate a bounce, at least a bounce, okay, if not really continuation. One example that I can give you is the following. Like this is a very textbook example. Resistance, okay, resistance, breakout. Look how long it took, okay, look how long it took for it to get the retest. And here we go, here we have the gap. Look how long it took to get the retest, but it did retest, and from here we actually, we got lift off. And yeah, what an amazing push up this is. So yeah, what I'm looking for right now is push higher. I'm really looking forward for a push higher, and from there looking for a correction all the way to the previous resistance, now support, so around upper 19k, okay, yeah, give or take $200. So I think this is a nice analysis right here. Looking forward for my NEO call to play out. Let me actually get into this one, a very quick explanation on what I'm looking for. So basically what I'm looking for here is NEO to follow leading coins such as Litecoin and Ethereum. And yeah, let's compare it to Ethereum. Let's actually compare it to Ethereum, and please take a look how similar. Okay, you have the bottom, you have the push up, you have everything right here, except the fact that, so Ethereum is here. Okay, so this in terms of Ethereum was, in terms of Ethereum, this was around $360. Let me just delete this. Okay, so yeah, $360. So we'll take it like this. $360 is where Neo right now is, in terms of Ethereum. So basically you have a 100%, return on investment. So yeah, basically the target would be around $36. I say this is a very, very solid long. Okay, this is actually my investment right now. I took profits on some of my hodls. Of course not on lower caps, but on BTC, Ethereum a little bit. Litecoin I don't have. XRP I took profits when it went really high. So yeah, I'm looking forward to push or to put these profits into Neo. Uh, I did. I mean, I already did a little bit. So yeah, looking for Neo to mimic and follow Ethereum, which is which is really nice. I mean, the correlation here is very cool, and yeah, as you can see, this can go parabolic very fast. So yeah, this is for today. This was the update for today, and I hope you got some value from what I shared. I have my plan carefully, explained for all of you guys, and yeah, looking forward for this one to play out, and yeah, looking to make some profits and put them in Neo. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you and catch you in the next one. Have a good day. Cheers and bye bye.